Alright, do it again. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and cars, welcome to the car show.
How does it work?
How the car's gonna drive?
Right. Let's
Uh-oh.
make another big,
That car's
another
need
big
gas.
crash.
That car's need gas.
We're going to line them up and make a big crash.
Yeah, they're gonna be crashed.
Oh, there's one. Oh, it didn't go very far.
Is this one drive this? Crash your car pile.
And
He sticks it. He sticks it. I will catch this one. Might do. How about let the car shooter to boom all the cars?
still came apart.
How about me
I
shoot the
can't see
cars?
them. Shoot the cars?
Yeah.
Alright, that's an idea.
That's a good joke. Let's try that one. That car is fast.
Okay, I'm going to take the lights down to see if this works. And we can see the light coming through the rocks.
Watch out, there's a car coming.
Let's see how that works. Okay, turn the lights down. I have to reach over. Turn the lights down. One more.
Yeah. This car is a fast car. Faster car. A really good car.
Almost there. Okay, I'm going to make it more dark. Here it goes. It's dark.
I can't see it.
Okay, soon. Let me take this picture. Let me take the picture.
I was playing with cars.
Hang on.